And I'm live.
Awesome, thank you.
You bet.
And then what YouTube site?
What's that?
What YouTube site?
It's at HPHL Wolves.
Okay.
All right, guys. Well, good afternoon. We're here in downtown Denver at the Denver University campus at the Magnus Arena here. We're actually playing on the big ice where the DU Pioneers play. Hey, fantastic shout out to the Denver University Pioneers for winning nationals this year. They went to the Frozen Four, dominating, and actually came home with the cup this year. So great job to the DU Pioneers men. We're certainly proud that they went there and brought the trophy home to Denver here. Well, your Lady Bruins, Lady Bruins last season, Sean. Your Lady Wolves faced off 4 times. They've faced the Storm, the Gators, the Black Widows, and missing one here. Oh, and Lady Coyotes. They've been in every game but that Lady Coyotes game. That last Black Widows game, as you know, was a 7-2 loss, but the girls were in it all the time. They just couldn't put it together for all 3 periods. So if they can do that today, get all 3 periods solid today, there's a very good chance of winning. Polar Bears have played 3 so far. And here we go. Play starts. Back into this Bears zone. Samantha go after it. Now picked up by Stasia. Stasia brings it in, but Sammy couldn't get out in time. Well, the Polar Bears have faced off against the Gators. They beat them 5-2. The Black Widows lost 5-0, and the Sabercats they won 4-1 against. Now here we go. Coming back. This comes back to Layla. She loses the handle, but drops it forward to Sammy. Now here comes Haley. Haley looking for a quick shot off the blocker of Sue. And here we go, coming the other way. Now, no, they're digging in good. Haley there. Now Layla pumps it towards the net. Dead in front. Oh, man, Haley had a good opportunity. Now here back to Samantha. Back to Marsha. She can't get a hold of it. And the Polar Bears knock it into the Wolves zone. Picking up behind the nets, Layla. Layla kicking it forward to Samantha. Samantha trying to toss it forward to Haley. Haley on the chase with it. She's going to get it back on the near boards. Wrapping around back behind the net. She's got one on the chase. Stops up short. Backs around the other way. Looking to play a little dance behind on the goalie. Nothing doing there. Very rarely we get Susan beat by that. Now over Marshall picking it up. Kicking it forward to... pumping into the zone. They dump it all the way back to the back. Now here we come the other way. This is... that'll be offsides. Now face off all the way over to pick it up. Dumping it forward. That's Blana. Now on into the stick of... a hot shot, and Sue's going to drop on it and hold on. Beatrix in there. Okay, now I've got all the numbers down. Coming back, working hard to get, can't quite get there. On the chase, here comes the Bears, working in, nice play there by Ava to slow it down. Ava's still working hard to get it up there. Now Blana trying to pick it up, can't quite get there. Millie after it, now Ava knocks it forward, Haley on the chase. Coming the other way, gets by Amy, now open look on Peyton. Quick shot. Peyton able to get on top of it. Now gets some help and is able to cover it up. Good job there by Peyton to hold on. Now wrapped around back behind. On the chase over to get it up is Stasia. Now coming through. Nice play there by Beatrix. Beatrix moving into the zone. Dances through traffic. Gets it out in front. Makes Sue miss. And that is a score. Beatrix carried it coast to coast. Lady Wolves on the board with the first score of the game. Beatrix is so tough out there. Now coming the other way, here come the Polar Bears chasing down the ice, looking for an opening in front, dancing around all the way to the other side. Peyton moving side to side, no problem. Now coming in, kept in nicely there by the Polar Bears. Polar Bears centering, stolen away there. Here comes Beatrix again, going the other way on the hustle. Flying down the ice. Dumps it back to Samantha. Sammy loses the handle. Here come the Bears coming the other way. Oh, Sammy throws her body into it and up into the Polar Bears bench. Hey, Coach John, hold on. Oh, no, Brian, sorry. Coach John's our coach. Brian for the Polar Bears. He was the one of the assistants for Cherry Creek and just such a phenomenal coach. All right, face off. That's Haley moving it forward. Haley tossing it over. On the chase there is Emma Lofton. Now, good job there by Haley moving it forward, wrapping her all the way around from the red line, or from the center line, I should say. Red line's down towards the goal. Now, kicking it back. Oh, taken away nicely by Haley. She fires it wide of the net. Layla back, 2-on-1 opportunity, but Layla makes a tremendous defensive play there. Marsha on it, bringing it forward, trying to get it to Winnie. Gets by her, wrapping all the way around the other side. Layla on the chase. Now Marsha over, passing it forward. Can't get up by the stick of the Polar Bear player. Now wraps around the other way. Layla on the chase. Can't get a hold of it. Now Haley has it. Stops up short, but tremendous play. Peyton poking it away. Love when she does that. Now shot in. It's open in front. Peyton on top of it. Now she lays on top and holds on. Ooh, baby. Now pushing up, trying to get it out of the zone. They can't. Amy on the chase. She gets help there from Blana. Blana has it now, kicking it forward. That's going to come all the way out of the zone. Waved off. It's got enough heat to get past that red line. The ref's having nothing of it. Moving forward, Amy comes in nicely to push it towards the net. Sue had to make a reaction to it. Oh, gets by Belena. Now coming the other way by Beatrix. Amy there, she pokes it across. Ava working for it. Cross eyes. Polar Bears kicking in the zone. Off the stick, Amy back into the Wolves corner. Wrap back around. Wolves pick it up back behind the net. They push it on the near side boards. Ava on the chase, trying to get to it. Now quick shot in. Up into Peyton's glove, and she'll hold on. Lena trying to get it up out of the zone, can't. Polar Bears doing a good job keeping it in. The shot, Peyton redirects that one to the far wall. Bears setting up a play. Poked around. Peyton makes a reaction play, kicks it out right of the net. Bears working at it. Now another shot in on Peyton. Nice play there by Samantha. She kicks it up out of the zone. Stages on the chase. Ooh, wrapping through traffic, dancing around. Shot. Wide of the net. Now Stasia picking it up. She bouncing along the back, trying to get it to Samantha. Still working, bringing it forward. Now up on the stick. Haley, here she goes. Haley flying through traffic. Ooh, loses the handle though. Bulls are changing out. Sydney working it forward up onto the stick of Emma. Emma coming the other way. Emma flying across the blue line into the Polar Bears zone. Tries to center it. Nothing there. Now bouncing it back to Sydney. Sydney fires it back, but intercepted there by the Polar Bears. Here the Bears come. Knocking it around back behind the net. Peyton's going to stop it up short. Now she's going to fire it up to Emma. That was a little dangerous. Peyton, settle down. Now moving it along. Sydney on the chase as it goes up in the corner. Now Bridget working for it. Winnie now going after it. Centering play, and Peyton will cover that up and lock it up. Here we go, fighting for it. Bears move it out of traffic. Now they fire it in, trying to get it in on Peyton. Still fighting for it. Now back behind the net. Peyton recovers. Now Bears get it up. Oops, she can't hold on to it. Comes up out of the zone. Emma giving chase. Winnie on the other side. Bouncing around. Beatrix getting up in there. Can't quite get a handle on it. Uh-oh. Bridget goes down, but she's back up and okay. This will end up be icing. Come all the way back into the Bears zone. Right now, your Wolves leading the Bears 1-0 in the first. We're 6 minutes in. Just over 2/3 of the way done with the period. Haley taking it. Deva picks it up behind. Quick shot in. Rebound. Bears help out. Get them off. Now still fighting for it. Oh, nice play there by Millie. And the Bears pick it up coming the other way on the hustle. Moving fast through traffic, trying to get up in. Nice poke away there. Good defensive play there by your Wolves. Setting up, tosses it into the sideboard. Over to pick it up is Haley. Haley cross ice, trying to get it to Millie. Now on the stick of Bolana. Bolana makes a play, but is poked away. And Ava fighting hard there, doing a good job. And now it's back on the stick of Layla. Layla coming the other way, moving quick. She gets pinched on the board, still moving forward, able to maintain possession. Carries it all the way into the Wolves' Bears' corner. Now the Bears pick it up there, coming the other way on the hustle. Moving fast through traffic, flying all the way in. Dumps it off. Wolves able to take away. Now Haley pushes it forward. Now poked away. Stasia coming after it. Tosses it in the sideboard, picks it up there off their pass to herself. She kicks it forward to Bolana. Bolana moving in. Quick shot in on the Sioux. And off her glove. Lena has to go over and pick up on the far side boards. Bounce it back. Beatrix fired in. Redirect. Wide in the net. That's what you're supposed to do on that. Your defender fires it in. Now Bolana working with Samantha. Samantha back to Bolana. Bolana fires it in. Wide of the net. Now it gets by her. Nice job there. Oh, man. I thought Amy kept it in there. Bears too good on the stick. Now they fired it wide of the net right. Center play. Now poked away there nicely. Quick shot in. Redirect. Wide of the net. Picked up there by Beatrix. She moves it forward on the fly. Beatrix moves through traffic. She's got one to beat. Oh, loses the handle. Gets tied up there in the process. Now Amy back. 2-on-1. Plus the goalie. Now nicely done there by Peyton to stay on top of that. She watched for that pass. Was able to make the correction. Keep that from going in. All right, here we go. Face off. Goes to the boards. Polar Bears take control of it. Now they fire it in. Glove saved by Peyton. Now, here we go. Bridget has it, bringing it forward. She's got a little bit of room, bouncing along the boards, trying to get it up to Emma. Can't quite. Now back to Sydney. Sydney for Emma. Emma picking it up, moving over. Passes over to Haley. Haley gets it up out of the zone, still moving it forward. She gets her skate pulled out from under her. No call. Wrapping around behind. Sydney on the chase. Up along the far boards, and this rolls all the way down. Emma on the chase, trying to get through it in time. Winnie there. Now here come the Bears coming the other way. Nope, she can't quite maintain the handle. Picks it back up, flies in along the near side boards, wrapping around back behind. They take it around the world with their defender. Now bounce it back into the far corner, wrapping around. Now they're just going and going. Now here comes Haley after it. Winnie over there to help out. Haley gets a body on it. Winnie getting in. And away come the Bears. Winnie going after it now. She comes away. Nice job, Winnie. Now coming the other way. Bridget picking it up there. She bats the other way, right to a Bear. Center mass on Peyton. Oh, ice is slippery. Hopefully she gets up okay. She does.
I think she lost your feed.
I'm sorry?
Lost your feed on Facebook.
Did I? It's probably because of the net. Let me see if I can switch out. Oh, Beatrix fighting for it, trying to get up to it. Here we go, coming up out, working hard to get out of there. Beatrix still working it, can't get it away. Marshall working hard, still got it in front of her. Oh man, Marshall making it impossible. Now here we go, Wolves come away with it. That's Beatrix moving the other way. Oh, I thought Layla was going to make a nice play on it. Moving around, quick shot in. Come on, lady, right in front. Guys, come on, sit down, please. Now here's Stage out in front, trying to work it. And there's a whistle. I'm going to try to recover my feed here. All right, guys, here we go. We're starting off the third period. All tied up 2-2 Right into the Wolves zone to start off the period. Now out in center ice. No! Hi, Beatrix coming away with it. She's got a handle working through, and the defender displays tremendous defense, making Beatrix work for it, and she couldn't quite get it by. Beatrix made that incredible steal at center ice. Now here comes Layla. Layla coming in. She comes across the zone, dumps it off to Beatrix. Beatrix fires, rebound to the stick of Layla out in front. Sue smartly jumps on it, holds on. Well, sorry, I was having technical difficulties, so I didn't give the recaps of the in-between periods there. Right now, we have even shots on goal, 24-23. All tied up 2-2 in the third period. Oh, Belina tried to rifle it right into the center mass. She's able to maintain possession. Now she gets an open look in front. Oh, man, Haley going for the redirect, but pushes it wide of the net. Lana working around behind. She's got Haley there with her. Now we've got Winnie in front. Whoops! Ice is slippery. This comes wide. Uh-oh! She's got a breakaway opportunity. Let's see if Peyton can steal it away. She does! Ho-ho! Go, Peyton! Peyton stayed home in front, was more patient than the scorer, and she came away with it that time. Now working around in front, looking for the rebound. Amy picks it up, kicks it forward to Emma. Emma coming up ice, passes it forward to Haley. Oh, just a little too much in front of Haley there. This can come all the way down. Peyton will play it, redirect it over to Polana. Polana picking it up, coming the other way. Polana flying down the ice, firing it up, gets over to Haley. Haley out in front, quick shot goes wide of the net. Emma on the chase, she's got Winnie backstopping her. And coming around, Amy holding the left side. She's going to back up and play cover two here in football terms. Lana coming over, working at it. Now coming away the other way. This is Haley working. Haley flying up ice, working through traffic. Emma slows up, comes across with her. Now Amy slows it up, tries to pass it forward to Emma. This comes back to Amy. Amy fires it up into the backboards. And we're going to have a penalty. No, that's the second penalty of the game. Wolves 0 for 1 on the game so far. First one was for tripping. The second one was for interference. Now this comes back on the stick of Stacia. Stacia rifles it into the far corner. Sammy on the chase. Does a good job holding it in. Now Stacia is watching to see what will happen. Sammy on the other side. Comes over to Bridget. Bridget tosses it forward, trying to get it up onto the stick of Beatrix. Samantha has it. Samantha over to Sydney. Sydney redirects it to the near side boards. And this comes out. Uh-oh, this is how it happened last time, but too much heat on it. Samantha poking it away. Drops it the other side. Sydney on the chase. Bears set up a play. Well, this is one way to kill power play, folks. Buried in the other team's zone. And we got a hooking. And she doesn't like that call at all. Bridget in the box for hooking. Big shout out to the Brennans for keeping track of game sheet today. We really appreciate them. Might be Paul will run up, but between them, they're keeping track of the boards. Wrapping around behind, even strength, 4-on-4 for the next 40 seconds. Whoa, putting her body out there. Now working to get it out of there is Layla. She does. The Bears will have to reset. 10 minutes in, or 5 minutes into the third period. We're all tied up 2-2. That'll be icing now. They fired it from across the center line. Well, scoring looks like this. Beatrix had that nice end-to-end. They give an assist to Stacia Jennings on that. Rebecca Johnson got that unassisted goal in the 10 minutes in the first or a second. Rebecca Johnson got a second one with an assist to Jaylee Wilson. Got to watch number 8, folks. She's a beast. Beatrix had the next goal, so she has both goals of the game. And here come the Polar Bears coming the other way. Looking for a shot in, but goes wide in the net. Wraps all the way around. Comes up out of the zone. The Bears will have to reset. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bears now on the power play. This is their first. Quick shot in on Peyton. She makes a kick save out to the wall. Shot in, and Peyton holds on to that one. Shot count pretty even. Bears leading by a 4-point margin or 4-shot margin. They have 28 shots on goal. 24 shots on goal for the Wolves. Nice to see that double-digit count for the Wolves today. High score, 2-2. 10 minutes left to go in the game. Sorry for the technical difficulties in the second, folks. We lost about midway through the first. The game in its entirety will be put up on Facebook, up on YouTube, on the at HPHL Wolves, WOLVES. So look at HPHL Wolves on YouTube to watch the game in its entirety. Now, quick shot looking for the redirect, getting nothing there. Nice play there by Balana to get it forward. Now she dances through traffic, gets through a second, still working forward, but taken away. Balana still fighting to get it back. Amy out in front. They dump it off into the far post, up center. This is dangerous, looking for that redirect. Peyton all over and gets her hands on it, keeping it from getting in that goal. Here we go, wrapping around. Over to jump on it, it's Balana. Balana has it now. She's going to try to get through traffic. She does. And loses the handle in a dangerous spot. Picks it back up. Still can't get out of trouble. Now tossing it out. Stacia tries to get to it. Just can't quite get there. Out in front. Open shot looking for the redirect again. Nothing there. Glenna's going to be tired tonight, man. She's working hard out there. Now Haley's working it. She has Blana backing her up. And a big heavy shot there by Sammy, and she couldn't quite get it in on it. Samantha goes over, drops it off. Haley poking it again, moving it along. Little tap there, and she's going to get a check. See if it's roughing or back check.
It was a good check.
I just don't know how they're going to call it. They're calling a back check. So Bears on their second power play opportunity here. They're 0 for 1. There they did indeed call the back check. Oh, nice centering play there. Couldn't quite get it. That's how they beat her on the last shot. On the last shot. Now shot in. Dropping around behind. Peyton gets crossed ice to the other side. Shot in. Bouncing around back behind. Another shot off the blocker. Bears setting up a play. Another shot in. Off Peyton's glove. Drops straight down, and she drops on top. Get a change out here. Now a quick shot in. Peyton will stop that up again and hold on. Bouncing on the wall, moving forward. Nice little butt check there to knock her out of the way. Oh! Good defensive play there by Bridget. Now saved by Peyton. Kicks it out, and they knock it out of play. Give them a chance to breathe a bit here. Bears tossing it forward all the way up to the near side here. Moves forward, looking for an opening in front. Oh, man. Clear it out of there if you can. Then he just going to get a good stick on it. Now looking for the centering. Nice play there by Bridget, and she tosses it out of the zone. Now flying the other way. Emma's there. Layla working to get there. Now she makes a quick shot. Nets off its moorings. The rest going to call it dead. Really cool. The nets sit on these two spikes that go in the ice. And they drop that heavy net on top of it, and it drives it down in the ice to hold it in position. Sometimes when a goalie's pushing hard, she kicks over and it pops up off that little mooring piece, and they call it dead play once the puck's out from in front of the net. Depends on it. It's degrees, too. If the net comes all the way off in the middle of a play, then duck it over. Now here come the Polar Bears working it around. They're getting it out front. Nice play there by Samantha. Sammy kicks it up out of the zone. She has Haley up in front. Good defensive play there. Now Haley tries to center it. Couldn't quite get it to anybody. There was 3 there, but the Bears able to jump on top of it. Oops, their skates get tied up there, and they both go down. Looking for a centering play. Can't get it. Now on the stick of Haley. Haley stops up. She has one there, able to maintain possession. Nice soft hands. Now here comes Haley coming the other way. Haley tossing forward, trying to get it to Sammy. Sammy moving up along the far side boards, up around back behind the net. Sammy's still working it. Bears get over there, get a little help. Here comes Layla. She jumps in. Yep, the Bears ended up coming away with it. Layla made a nice play, but just couldn't quite get through. Now shot in on Peyton, and this will be offsides. Now face off coming around. Bears looking to work it. Oops. Nice little breeze up here from that little whiff. And she's wrapping through, trying to dance through traffic. Nothing doing. Aha! Beatrix comes away. Couldn't quite get all the way out. Now still fighting it. Center it. Goes all the way through. Millie on the chase. Picks it up. Millie gets it up out of the zone nicely. Still working it forward. Good job, Millie. Millie carries it all the way into the Polar Bear zone, and the Polar Bears are 0 for 2 on the day for the power play. And dead right in center. Now picked up there by Marsha. Marsha fires it in and float safe by Susan. Oh boy, here we go. Coming out 2-on-1. Amy on the hustle trying to get back. All alone in front. Quick shot. Peyton stays home again and holds on. And Peyton will hold on to that again. Good job, Pay. Now here we go. Play resumes. Polar Bear's going to keep it in the zone. Slow Hawk to reset. Wrapping around the other side. Little chip shot in on Peyton. She fields that easily. Polana picks it up there. Picks it forward. Nothing doing. This comes out. Let's see if Haley can get there. No, that's Emma. If Emma can get there in time. Long shot to Peyton. Amy back to pick it up. Out in front. Amy makes a nice play on it. Now here comes Polana coming the other way. Dances through. Emma's right there to backstop her. Quick shot. Sue reacts easily to that one. Another nice save there by Peyton. Gets it far enough away where they couldn't get the reaction shot. They were set up for it. Now around back behind. They got one in front. Help her out, Beatrix. Oh, nice defensive play there. And Peyton's going to cover and lock that beastie up. Peyton having a solid game all the way. They're actually putting up 3. Bears now have 40, count them, 40 shots on goal. Nice defensive play there. Bridget frustrating the heck out of him. Now onto the stick of Stasia. Stasia moves it forward. Wrapping through. Another shot wide in the net. Over to pick it up to Samantha. Sammy moving it back behind the net. Stops up short, goes the other way. Sammy going coast to coast, wrapping around behind. She's got Stasia in front. She's got Beatrix over there. Little back cuddle there to Sydney. Now toss forward, trying to get it to Samantha. Oops. Off her skate. Bridget calling for it. Hayden's going to walk this one up again and hold on. Just under a minute to play in the game. We're all tied up. Two to two. And I'm sorry I didn't have that up on the screen here. Here it is now. Another solid there play there by Payton to hold on. 40-second shot on goal. Just under 30 seconds to play in the period. Oh. Let's see if Haley can get to it. She can. She's got one on the other side. Belina. Hold on the other side. Yeah. Porky's my friend today. Oh, here we go. Flying the other way. Haley flying through. She's got one to beat. Stops up short. Still working to get through. Gets poked up out. And that, folks, will be a game. Well, we are now out of losing column. This will be a tie game. 2-2 after 3. Oh, no, wait a minute. Are they going to do an overtime period? They are. Wonder how they're going to do this. 4-on-4. Well, they're putting 5 minutes up on the clock for the fourth period. Yes, I did say fourth. We're going into OT. Well, the way it looks, Wolves had one in the first, one in the second. Polar Bears got both their scores in the second. Polar Bears had 14 shots in the first, 10 in the second, 18 in the third for 42 shots total. Wolves had 7 in the first, 14 in the second, 5 in the third for 26 shots in total. Beatrix got the first goal of the game, an assist to Stasia. Rebecca Johnson unassisted for the first goal for the Polar Bears. Rebecca Johnson had the second score with an assist to Jaylee Wilson. Beatrix had the next goal with an assist to Lana. Now here goes, starting off the OT period. On the fly back, Marshall working to get to it. She can't quite get there in time. And they're playing 3-on-3. That's fun. So we're playing high-speed hockey here for the overtime period. Here's Beatrix with it. She's coming. She's going to fly down the ice. Samantha on the left, going with her. Beatrix carries it across into the zone. Moves forward, trying to get it stopping up short. Does. Passes over to Samantha. Samantha in front. Tosses it. Oh, out in front. It's there. Oh, nobody could get there in time. Marsha pokes it over. Beatrix picking it up. Beatrix soft hands, but can't hold on. Gets it away. Beatrix still working it. Oh, through the legs. Putting on a show. Now bouncing all the way back. Beatrix is going to have to chase it. It's going to come up out of the zone. She goes cross ice. Samantha Marsha comes out. Sammy bounces. Oh. Now all the way back into the Wolves zone. And they're going to call offside. We're in overtime here, all tied up 2-2. Nice flurry of shots there by that first line. Coach changes things up a little bit. Haley, Belana, I'm sorry, and Ava in there now. Over to Belana. Here she goes back to Haley. Haley back to Belana. Belana coming up the ice. She's spreading it out. They're moving around. Ava going in with her. Comes back. Ava jumping on it. Ava able to maintain in. Gets it down to Belana. Belana working it along the far side boards. Wrapping in front, looking for an opening. Can't get anything there. Chases, picks it up in the corner. Now Haley along the near side boards. Comes away with it, dancing through traffic. Still has it. Uses the boards as a passing play. Passes over to Haley. Haley up to Ava. Ava shoots, center mass, and Sue catches that like nobody's business. She's one of the best in the game at that. Peyton has been a teammate of Sue for the last 4 years. They are a heck of a partnership when they play together. Now here they come. Oh boy, she's got a breakaway. Let's see if Peyton can steal this one. And she cannot. Well, that was a stunning game, folks. 43 shots on goal. She gives up 3 on the breakaway at the final part of the frame. 28 shots on goal by your Wolves. Last goal was by Sophia Sokic on that breakaway opportunity. Well, folks, that's it for the weekend. Thanks for coming out and watching the game. We hope you guys have a good weekend, and we'll see you guys next week. This is Sean Swanson signing off from my Facebook page. The game will be up in its entirety on at HBHL Wolves, WOLVES, on the HBHL Wolves Facebook channel. You folks have a good day, and thanks for coming out and watching.